Good morning, children. How are you? Are you ready for the session? We have learned the sound of letter A, B and C. What is the sound of letter A? A. What is the sound of letter B? B. What is the sound of letter C? K. Now we are going to learn the sound of letter D. Let's sing a song to learn the sound. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Da. This is the sound of letter D. Say da. Da. Let's sing again. All of you sing with me. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. What is the sound of letter D? Da. Say da. Learn some words begins with sound da. Doll, duck, dog, deer, donkey. Let's learn conversation. Teacher will ask you questions and you have to answer in complete sentence. What is your father's name? My father's name is Rajesh. My father's name is Vivek. My father's name is Manoj. This way you have to say. What is your father's name? Okay, next question. How many members are there in your family? You have to say the number of members of your family. In my family, there are 3 members. I will say there are 3 members in my family. Now you tell me, how many members are there in your family? There are 5 members in my family. There are 7 members in my family. There are 8 members in my family. Okay, do practice. Thank you.